Airsoft GI would like to thank our sponsors.
Hey, what's up, GI TV? My name is Tim, and we are here with the WE SMG-8. If you love the MP7 by H&K, but do not love the price tag, then this is pretty much your only option for a budget-minded submachine gun. This thing has an external build construction on the outside. Internally, the parts are reinforced with metal. Obviously, those are the metal ones that are moving around. They're taking the brunt of the force. This thing performs pretty well at 360 to 380 FPS with 0.20 gram BBs with green gas. And when I say that it's budget-minded, it is really budget-minded because this thing is in our blowout section for $145. At that price, you could probably afford to get 2 of them and dual wield them on the field, although that would probably eat into your budget, so to speak. Features and functions of the thing are just like the MP7. We have ambidextrous fire selector, magazine release, bolt release. The stock extends, and it has a couple of notches, so you can extend it to different lengths. We have some unique sights on here that kind of set it apart from the MP7, but other than that, you pretty much get what you see here. Check this thing out. It's in our blowout section, like I said, for $145. That is super cheap for a gas blowback SMG like this thing. Remember, it's the WE SMG-8. My name is Tim. Thanks for watching GI TV. At Airsoft GI, we test guns before shipping them to you to make sure that they're working. This one's good to go, Mark.
Right, the boom is definitely in the shot there. And right there.
Okay.
I don't really get what's funny.
It's just the movement of the shot. Is it how the I move the shadow over his face? Or is that...
Still rolling, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.